Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to learn about how to test your newly purchased USB headsets. So let's move to our tutorial now. Just click on the Windows option, then go to the control panel and then click the hardware and sound sections. In that, click on the manage audio devices. So now you can see there is an option called as a speakers. So you can identify, basically there are the two speakers. You can see that the high definition audio device is also there, and one more speaker is there, 2C media USB headphone set. So we can easily identify that we have purchased the USB headsets. So the first one, that is the 2C media USB headphone set, that we have to going to test. Okay, not this one, this one. So just right click on the speakers and then click on the test. So now you can hear the two sounds are there, and also you can see that the green bar is raising. So one more time I'm going to click the test. Look at this, those two green bars are there. So this is how we can test our brand new purchased USB headsets, whether it is working perfectly or not. So that's it about how to check the USB headset speakers. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and new tutorial will come soon. Until then, bye.